Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering. Actually, we have learned how to set this watermark in the page background. So now we are going to learn how to change the color of this page. So you see, I have already set this watermark in the background. So to change the color of the page, simply go to this page layout and then go to this page color drop down and simply click here drop down button, and then you can find the number of there are so many color of this, so many color options. Simply select this color and you can see this page color is already changed. Mostly we are using this option to make the project different color, and in the engineering or college time actually we are making for the presentation and project. So we are looking for the different color. So if you want to change another color, simply go to this page layout and page color, then choose your desired color from here. If you want to change another color, so click on more color and simply click and select the color from this. Click OK, then you can see this page color is changed. Okay, again go to this page layout and you can choose any color from this theme color. Okay, again go to this page color and fill effect. There is another option, fill effect. So simply click on fill effect, then you can see this color, color 1, color 2, color and preset. So there are one color. If you want to mix the color, you can mix from here, color 1, and 2 color option is also there. So color 1 is this one, so it will be visible like this. See, 2 color white, and you can mix from here. To change the color, second color you select. For example, I am selecting the another second color is this one. Simply click OK. So it show how it looks like. So on this page, in this page I have set the 2 color. Again go to this color layout, color toolbar, and go to this fill effect. Simply change this color from here, this color option, color number 1, then choose the another color, this second color, then horizontal, vertical, there are so many options, diagonal, diagonal down, form corner, form center. So you can see there are so many options. So simply select any one of these option, any one from these option, and there is click OK. So you can see this page. In this page I have set the 2 color in different direction. So again go to this page color tools and go to this fill effect, and if you want to change this diagonal, it will change the direction of this color. You can change from here. Okay. Again change the color from this, and simply click OK. Okay. Again go to this page color, then fill effect, then preset. Preset is early sunset. There are so many options. See, it's nightfall, daybreak. So it looks like this daybreak. Simply click OK. See, it's showing this daybreak. And then go to this again go to this page color, fill effect. If you want to change and take another one, you can take another. See, preset color, it's already preset, so you can early sunset. Click OK. Now see another option, go to this page color, again fill effect, then choose the second option, late sunset. Click OK. So it looks like this. You can check another option, fill effect, then nightfall. click OK. So it's look like this. So there are so many options given there. Fill effect, and then daybreak you already seen, then horizon, click OK. It's look like this. Then go to this page color, then fill effect. So I am looking for this daybreak. It looks nice. And then go to this second tab, there is texture, so you can set the texture of your page also. So there are so many textures given here. This inbuilt texture, you can take any one texture, simply select any one texture from this given option and simply click OK. So it will set in your page. Again go to this page color, fill effect, then texture, then choose any textures from this given style and simply click OK. See, I am selecting now in this I am selecting this one and simply click OK. See, this page texture has been changed. If you want to take another texture, so simply go to this page color, then fill effect, and then you can choose any one texture, any textures from this table, this list. Now this time I am taking this one. If you want to check another, so go to this texture and you can select any texture. First you need to download the texture from the net and simply select that. Okay, I'm selecting this and simply OK. See, so there are so many options given there. You can choose any option from there. Okay, so simply again go to this page color and fill effect, then go to this pattern, and there are so many patterns given also. If you want to change the pattern of your page, you can simply select any pattern from here, this option, and if you want to change the color also, you can choose the color from here and select any one of pattern from this list. Simply click OK. Page pattern has been changed. If you want to type, you can type anything. You want to change another pattern, and background color is also you can change from here. See, there is background color option given. So simply click on that background color option and simply select any color, and then select another pattern. Simply click OK. See. So many options given there. Go to this filter and go to this another type picture. So if you want to select the picture, you can select the picture also from here. Simply select on the picture and simply click OK. Then simply click OK. See, your picture is already this big actually. That's why it's not showing. It is out of page. So select another picture. Go to this fill effect, then picture, then select picture. Now this time I'm selecting this, then simply click OK. See. So there are so many options given there. I hope you guys learn something from this video, and I hope you learn how to change this page color and page color and texture, and how to set the texture in your page, and how to set this pattern, and how to insert the picture. So I hope you guys learn these options. So please like, share and comment my video, and don't forget to subscribe as well as hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.